Hello and welcome back to my channel Grumly Tummy. Today we're going to make a Japanese souffle omelette. The first step in making this is to take 2 eggs and separate the egg yolks. You can use an egg separator spoon like I have done, or you can just use your hands. Now take the egg yolks and add a pinch of salt to it and whisk it. Now keep the egg yolks aside. Add the egg whites to a bowl and with the egg beater beat the eggs. When foam starts to appear, add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar to it and beat till soft peaks. After the soft peaks, add the egg yolk mixture we made to the batter and fold it in gently. Now take a pan, spread some oil on it. Now add the batter and spread it on the pan. Now cover the pan and let it cook under low flame for 5 minutes. Now fold the egg. Now it's ready to eat. It might be a little raw, but it's okay. And we should eat this quickly. Either it will start to deflate like mine did. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and see you next time.